Alright, so here's the car before anything. We restored the headlights, but this side looks way better than that one. So let's see if we can match that one. And then my front end is full of bugs. What's going on, guys? So we're here at my friend Martin's now. He's with car washing on wheels. So he is currently paint correcting the car. He prepped it last night when I dropped it off yesterday. They are paint correcting the car right now. Let's check it out. What is up, my friend? Got some Inception. What's this guy doing in there, bro? Come on. Living rent free. Mr. Jatin over here gave me a free D badge.
I feel bad. I feel so sad right now.
It's all good. We'll just glue that shit back on.
With Civic Type R, better than SI.
That's mint. Don't worry about it.
It's better than SI.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you just 3M tape this or some shit. Or glue it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So this dent is now looking a lot worse from when I hit the deer. So we're gonna have to get this pulled. Oh wow. But look at this paint though. Bro, let me tell you, man, this Civic paint looks amazing. Especially like he was telling me, like he didn't even hit the. They're only doing the front and the back right now, and on the sides you can see like on the quarter panels and stuff. He was asking me if I got the car paint corrected because it looks that good. It looks like there was some sort of paint correction before. I never got anything done. It was a factory car. I bought it from the original owner, and the original owner really kept it nice and neat, really clean, and that's pretty much it. It's all about how you maintain the car. So the car's paint for a 20-year-old paint isn't terrible. Most cars are pretty bad after like even 5-10 years. So I'm really impressed with this paint. And dude, it shines even so much better now. I can't wait to see when it's completely finished and when it's coated. Okay, so right off the bat, this one already looks better than that one, which is insane. This was hazy before. Let's see. That's wild, man. And then I had this like squirter would squirt the liquid out, and now it's all gone. Can't believe it. Damn. Alright, this car is looking pretty damn good. One thing I will say is I can't wait to have a garage for myself so that I can look at this, except my garage would be a 2-car garage, of course. Hopefully happening soon, so that'll be great because it'll help me work on the car a lot more, keep the car cleaner, of course, and make room for my next car that I'll keep along with this one. So looking forward to it. Dude, I'm so impressed with these headlights right now. The wheels look clean. Everything looks pretty damn good. Yeah, man, this car is just, I'm falling in love with it all over again. It's awesome. Check out the passenger side light. Looks so much better. Hell yeah, man. The car's looking amazing. Went ahead and got Martin some Five Guys. So greasy, bro. Let's check it out. Oh snap!
There it is.
She's looking good. She's looking good. Woo! Were the lights worth it?
Yeah. I'm gonna add 2 more
Damn.
and 4 on the other side.
Pretty solid. Looks like a new car. Did you shine my wheels?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Thank you. Looks so good.
Yeah, I'm gonna put 2 more
Yeah,
in this
man.
and then 4 in that wall.
Okay.
And
Oh, like above or
Yeah,
below?
Like I think because yours is low, but I'm gonna put 1 more here.
Oh yeah, for like
bigger
trucks and
cars,
stuff.
And then over there to the
Man, she looks good. Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
You guys know where to call him?
407-577-75.
All day long. A1 service. And I gotta pull out the Civic. Look at the front too. Looks brand new. I can't believe it. Damn, man.
Everything.
Alright, so next thing, clean this hood and whole engine bay. It's a little dirty, but it's all good. Let's get this out of here. Alright. Haven't had these keys in a whole week. I missed this thing.
So we'll take pictures.
I'm gonna detail the interior when I get home. Man, this is great. Alright, let's start the car up. Let's find the keyhole. Uh-oh! Wow. Man, I gotta thank him enough. Look at this. Fucking leaked oil for like a week. It's terrible. This is on like the oil pan.
Yeah.
Gotta replace the oil pan gasket and it leaks on both sides. It just drips down. Shit is terrible. You want me to throw this stuff out?
Huh?
You want to throw it out?
Nah, it's okay. I'll take it to the one. I put it away again.
Man.
This one. Brand new. It was only used in your car.
You just bought it for mine?
Yeah.
Oh man, thank you. I appreciate it, man. And the garage is coming along nice.
Yeah.
He has a guy that does mechanic work too. Hit him up. Thanks again, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
You're the man, bro. This guy is the man, bro. If you need detailing, interior cleaning, a basic wash, a full paint correction, ceramic coating install, whatever you need in the detail department, he's got you. Hit up Martin at Car Washing on Wheels. His number is going to be right here. His Instagram is going to be right here. His website and his Facebook and all the other stuff is going to be down below in the description. If you guys want to contact him, let him know that I sent you. He'll give you a little bit of a discount and he'll take care of you. Man, I love this thing. Doesn't even look 20 years old. Looks pretty damn good for a 2000 Civic. All right, huge shout out to Avalon King for sending me this out. Armor Shield 9. It's really well packaged. It's like it's pretty much a premium product, and it only costs about 70 bucks online. They usually run some sales too, so you can get it even cheaper.